It's day 2 of BDA week here at GEM headquarters, and the energy is high. We've wrapped the hands-on training, and now it's time to see what's stuck. Today, Tom is putting the team to the test to lock in those Westell Level 2 certifications. Let's see how they do.
At the end of the Westell training, assuming you pass the exam, you get a certification from Westell saying that you're qualified to use it. And that's very important. Many jurisdictions want to know that you are specifically trained on the equipment that you're commissioning.
Class is great, learning a lot and looking forward to the test. It's good to see that we're getting hands-on this course, retaining a little bit more as a result, so I do appreciate this course.